Yo, what's going on, guys? Jay Pedro. Now, I want to say a big thank you to 100 subscribers. I never even thought I'd get 10 subscribers, so 100 is amazing for me. It's actually quite an achievement. Some people think that's nothing, but to me that's quite an achievement. So I'd like to say thank you for that. A lot of people have been asking for a exhaust torque. So I swapped my can, my original stock can, and I stuck a Scorpion full system WK125 full system taper exhaust system on it, and bloody hell, it is lovely. It weighs a lot less. It's like 4 kilos less than the original. It's a lot wider. It's like an extra 2.2mm wider, and this exhaust, fuck me, it is amazing. It's definitely got a baffle in it. Got it in silver. It makes them pops, it bangs, it flames and everything. Especially at night, I do a lot of night riding because of work and stuff. Especially at night, you can fucking see the flames coming out. It is amazing. But I'd just like to say a big thank you to 100 subscribers, and a lot of you have been doing exhaust torque. This has increased the 8 horsepower by like 2 extra horsepower. It's not a lot in some car torque, but on a bike an extra 2 horsepower is quite good, especially on a shit bike like this. Touch wood, it's not shit. This bike is a year old next week. It's like the 3rd week of March at the moment. A bit dirty. I washed her and it's got dirty straight after. I'm getting rung and getting a phone call. 1 second. Yeah, so anyway guys, she's a year old next week, 3rd week in February. I clean her regularly, but she gets so dirty. I'll show you the LEDs, because I've got full LEDs. I got them changed a few months ago because my first set blew. Still got my lights, my good old lights. So I thought I lost them the other night. But yeah, I'll do a start up for you. You can hear her while I rev it. Yeah, she's a good sounding beast. I like it. That exhaust has actually saved me already. Got pulled out of a junction with my engine. Fucking heard me and stopped. And it's going everywhere. Yeah guys, that's the exhaust torque. I do recommend Scorpion exhausts a lot. They're very good quality. They sound the nuts. They're not bolted either. This one's the springs. 2 springs holding it there. It comes in 3 sections. It comes can, 1 part, pipe, the middle pipe, and then the exhaust manifold pipe. So you've got can, middle pipe, exhaust pipe, and it's only held on by springs. 2 for the can and middle pipe, and 1 spring between the lower one that midifies from the exhaust block pipe. And you've got 2 bolts holding it in from the exhaust port, and you've got that 1 bolt there and that 1 bolt there which doesn't fit properly. That's it. Do fully recommend it. You can get it in that colour, carbon or satin. I've always really wanted the carbon or the satin, but this actually really does go well with my colour bike. If I thought I had a carbon one, then you might not see it with the tyre. So yeah, I got it quite cheap as well. I got it new, but not from Scorpion, from a dealer what had 10 left over. He sold all 10 now. I was the last one to get mine. He was just trying to get rid of them because they don't make this bike no more. So yeah, but I'll wrap it up for that. That's it, Lord's Talk. Thank you once again for 100 subscribers. I'll catch you next time doing... Ooh, bloody hell, that's loose. I need a new chain, by the way. Doing my 1 year update on my WK125RR. So be watching out for that. Thank you very much, guys. See you guys next time. Peace.